Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to talk about how people look in Norwegian. Describing people's physical appearances is a fundamental aspect of every language. When discussing how someone looks in Norwegian, some specific words and phrases will come in handy. And today we will discuss how to navigate this area of the Norwegian vocabulary. Basic descriptions: høy, 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 tall; lav, 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 short in height; stor, 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 big; liten, 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 small; hair, hår, 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 hair; langt hår, langt hår, langt hår, long hair; kort hår, kort hår, kort hår, short hair; køllete hår, køllete hår, køllete hår, curly hair; rett hår, rett hår, rett hår, straight hair; blondt hår, blondt hår, blondt hår, blonde hair; brunt hår, brunt hår, brunt hår, brown hair; svart hår, svart hår, svart hår, black hair; rødt hår, rødt hår, rødt hår, red hair. Eyes, øyne, 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 eyes; blå øyne, blå øyne, blå øyne, blue eyes; grønne øyne, grønne øyne, grønne øyne, green eyes; brune øyne, brune øyne, brune øyne, brown eyes. Complexion and features: lys hud, lys hud, lys hud, fair skin; mørk hud, mørk hud, mørk hud, dark skin; fregner, 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 freckles; skjegg, 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 beard; mustasje, 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 mustache; age and general appearance: ung, 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 young; gammel, 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 old; vakker, vakker, vakker for women; kjekk, kjekk, kjekk for men; beautiful, handsome; pen, 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 pretty; søt, 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 cute. Useful phrases: hun har langt blondt hår, hun har langt blondt hår, hun har langt blondt hår, she has long blonde hair; han har blå øyne, han har blå øyne, han har blå øyne, he has blue eyes; hun ser ung ut, hun ser ung ut, hun ser ung ut, she looks young; han har skjegg, han har skjegg, han har skjegg, he has beard. Practice combining these terms and phrases to create a wide array of descriptions. For instance, hun har krøllete rødt hår og grønne øyne. Hun har krøllete rødt hår og grønne øyne. Hun har krøllete rødt hår og grønne øyne. Means she has curly red hair and green eyes. Remember, as with any language, cultural sensitivity is crucial. Always ensure your descriptions are respectful and avoid making potentially offensive or overly personal remarks. Norwegian culture values politeness and modesty, so always keep your observation kind and neutral. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, one-on-one private classes, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,